Hi, I'm Byron and today I'll introduce you to the robust Stäubli PV installer toolcase set. The set contains all necessary tools for a professional and safe assembly of the Stäubli connector portfolio. Now I'll just open the set so you can see what's inside of it. The components are designed for crim contacts with a diameter of 4, 6 or 10 square millimeters. And the tool set contains the crimping pliers for, as I said, 4, 6 and 10 square millimeters, a torque wrench, sealing caps for socket and plugs, a test pin, the unlocking tool and locators, as well as stripping pliers, an assembly key set and wire strippers. So have fun assembling and see you in the next video.